Hey, how's it going? Thank you for stopping by, checking out my YouTube channel, checking out my YouTube page. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, why are you here? I mean, I know I'm good looking, but really, why are you here? No, you're here because you're thinking the same thing I'm thinking. I need to make some extra cash, right? When I must have went through YouTube watching, no lie, no over exaggeration, 200 videos. Try to make some extra cash. And you know what? 95% of those videos was garbage. Either they're telling you, "Oh yeah, well, you know what you should do? You should Uber, or you should Lyft, or some garbage. Sell your old stuff on eBay. Sell your old stuff on Amazon." Thanks a lot. Thanks for the great advice. Like I didn't know that already. So we're getting ready to have my second child. Well, not me, but you know what I mean. So my wife, she makes a decent living. Our combined income, we live pretty comfortable. But like any man's dream, I'd like to have my wife not work. Not being a male chauvinist saying, hey, she can't work, bear children, stay home, cook, and clean. I'm just saying that her income would no longer be that required. You know what I mean? Like her working would be something that she would choose to do, not something she'd have to do. You know what I mean? So that I could carry the load. And really, if she wanted to, if she did work and get a little part-time job or something, it would just be extra spending money. But I'd be able to carry the burden of all the bills. I think that's every man's dream, you know? So that's what I'm trying to achieve. So I'm going to start an episode. This is episode 1. My goal is to replace her income, $1,100 a week. So this is not $1,100 a week that I'm trying to produce. I'm talking about I take home. Not like, that's the other thing with these videos. They say, oh, I made $1,100, and you add up all their fees and what they did, this and that, it really ended up being $85. So I want to profit in my pocket, in my wallet, tax-free, if possible, $1,100 a week. Tell me I'm crazy. So, sounds good to you. Stay tuned. It's that heat, boy. Hey, so you follow through, huh? So you don't think I'm too crazy. All right, so salud. Cheers to a new beginning. They say that you should have goals that are so high that people laugh at you. That short-term goals, long-term goals. But actually take a goal that you think maybe you can achieve. Or set a goal that's beyond what you're actually doing now. Push yourself to the next limit. You know what's crazy is, and I'm not bragging, there's a lot of people who are on my subscribers actually physically know me. Yeah, I own a decent amount of property and I own a nice size home. I drive over $100,000 car. I own more than one car. But I didn't come from a wealthy family. My family is a military family. I grew up poor. I wasn't born with a silver spoon in my mouth. I moved out at 14 years old. That's a different story in itself. But it just goes to prove that it doesn't matter where you're from. It doesn't matter what you've done. It's where you want to. It's who you want to become and how far you want to go. That's truly, truly how I feel. So this is what this episode's about. So you're a single mom. You make some extra cash. You're a college student. You just broke. You're a dad, parent, or you know what? You're just the average Joe, and man, things ain't making. Ends ain't meeting, or you got a good job, but you know what? Who's gonna turn down extra cash, right? All right, all right, all right, all right. So here we go. So for this first episode, what I'm gonna do, man, I'm like, I'm contemplating, I'm fighting myself because I have some really good information I want to share right now. But I want this to be like an introduction video to this episode, to the series of videos that I'm gonna do. So here's what I'm gonna do with this video. If you have any ideas that, or you have any financial success in anything, that you're saying that, hey, you could do this or you could do that. You have ideas, a way to make money, an honest living. And I can make a lot of money unhonest, trust me. An honest living. Post in the comments, post a link to your video. Post an affiliate link to what you think. What I want this kind of a melting pot of ideas that share your success story. Share your success story. Hey, I've made $1,100 a month on this. I've made $50 a week on this, and I made $100 a week on this. And at the end of the day, there's no get rich quick scheme, right? Like, if you made $50 or something, you made $10 or something, $7 a day on something. At the end of the day, it's just what it adds up to be net 30 days. So what did I make of these 12 different hustles that I got involved in? At the end of this month, I made $11,000 a month. Nice, and everything's a give and take. Some things are going to be big profits, some things are not. So this is what this series is about. Like I said earlier, I've watched over 200 videos on YouTube. Over 200 videos. And there's like 3 people on YouTube that I could find that actually have like real information. Like real information. Not, oh, you can join my coaching team and pay me for for subscriptions on how to teach you to become a millionaire. Or, no. There's legit, actual people with a kind heart, legit people out there who financially made it, self-made people, self-made women and men who say, like, this is what I've done, this is how I made it, and they're opening doors for other people. And that's what, that's when people are going to understand something. Like, as fast as the Lord, I tell my daughter this all the time, like, she finishes my sentences, she knows I'm going to say it. The Lord will bless you. But as fast as the Lord can bless you, He can take back, right? So always give glory to God and not take glory for yourself. So, and these are the people that I'm following on YouTube that actually are legitimately financially successful. They're not charging you a dime to say, how they made it, and they're sharing exactly what they did. And yeah, they're making money off you watching money on YouTube, but they're not charging you for a lesson. So. I just can't wait for episode 2. I almost wanted to record like a back-to-back, but I won't because I want to give a little bit of time for people to comment on this video. So, again, my goal is $1,100 a week. Who knows? A month from now, we could say $1,100 a week wasn't enough, and we're going to change that to $2,000 a week, $3,000 a week, $4,000 a week, whatever. That would be a good problem to have. But right now, my goal is $1,100 a week. What can you do as a side hustle to make $1,100 a week take home in the bank? Not before taxes, not before profits, in the bank. And it's not necessarily saying one thing. It could be 12 different things, 7 different things. So don't think that your input doesn't matter because you have something that consistently made $25 a month, $7 a month, whatever. At the end of the day, it all adds up, right? So, if you had a hustle that made $7 a week, at least that's your lunch every day. That's all I'm saying. So, no hustle too big, no hustle too small. If you got a hustle, share it. Share it all. All right, so I think I'll be ending this video, and this is where I'm ending it. So, this is the introductory video. I got some decent tips that I'm following, and then what I want to do is somebody shares an input on me. I'm gonna check it out. So you put your comments and you tell me I'm gonna make money this way or that way or whatever. I'm gonna try it. And if it sucks, I'm gonna try to make a video once a week and say, don't bother. Yes. And then I'm going to do a tally like on a spreadsheet and say, I got these 3 hustles. And these 3 hustles this month made me $200. I'm not at my $1,100 mark yet. I got these 5 hustles. Now I'm at $600. And I'm just gonna keep building that hustle, legit hustle, and keep linking the previous videos, till finally that I reach my $1,100, and I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is how you get there. Excuse me, and then just keep building it and keep going and going and going. And I'm not gonna charge a dime. I don't want to charge a dime. Like, it's retarded. Like, so I see too many people that they're really not trying to offer you good advice. They just want you to click on a YouTube channel to better themselves and not better you at all. So I'm not that cold-hearted. So yes, if you have a hustle, a side hustle that's legit, no matter how much it made, post in the comments. Drop a link to your YouTube video. I'm gonna try it, and I'm gonna do once a week. So I'm saying once a week. So a week from now, you see this video and I don't have a video. You know what that means? I didn't come across anything that was worth posting. I'm not gonna be one of those people who just post something to post something. And there's those people like consistently post every day, garbage. Consistently post every single week, garbage. I try to post once a week. If I don't have anything good to post, I'm just not gonna post it. So that's where I'm at with this. Post the comments, post affiliate links, post your whatever. School me on what you know that I don't know. And by next week, I have 5 things that are legit with it, that you can make some serious money. Like, man, I don't want to be a spoiler alert, but like, I'm not too far off from just being online. So this is just stuff you can do online from home at any time. I'm not too far off from my goal, $1,100. So any input that you guys have out there in Facebook land, on YouTube land, I should say, is just a bonus to what I found. And I'll give credit where credit's due. There's people who told me about it. I'll link back to them, and not to think like, hey, I'm the take all the glory, guts and glory for that one. But yeah, so let's do this together. Let's make this a challenge. $1,100 a week. So if you've been blessed enough to know something that provides that makes a continuous residual income, post it in there. Post a link to your YouTube. Post a link to your video. Post an affiliate link, whatever it may be. Write in the description. And today is it's 12/2. It's Monday. This video will be on YouTube for a long time. So who knows you're watching it, but a week from now I'll post another video along with the things that I found that are very successful. And who knows from now till another week if somebody introduced me to something that I wasn't aware of. But let's go from there. So those of you who are ready for this adventure, like, subscribe, and comment in there so that when somebody comments, you get the notification. And click on the bell so you get the notifications when I upload a new video, because this, like I said, this is a series. So let's go, man. I'm ready for this adventure. I'm ready to take this YouTube online presence, the whole 9, to a new level. So school me and I'll school you. Bless me and I'll bless you. Thanks for watching. God bless. Again, please like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm dying for episode 2. I got so much information to share with you. So definitely come back for episode 2. We're going to make some money, boy. Brothers and sisters, we're going to make some money.